morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making these book page pockets similar to this here that can go again on a blank page. Now I've got some old books here. This one, whoops, not that. This one is from 1909 and this one I believe is 1860. But it's got a lovely patina on it. So I'm going to use some of the pages out of here, and you need 4 pages. 1, that's 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do a couple. Oh dear. Okay, I've taken 4 pages from each one, including this one, which, as you can see here, is a double page. So I'm going to glue that together, and these two are double pages. Oops. So this will be glued onto here, down the side there. First of all, and this one is similar in that I've got a back page that is blank, which is quite handy because then you can use it for writing if you wish. So the first stage is to glue your last 2 pages together, and I'm going to use my glue stick for this. Okay, that's all 3 of them glued. This one I'm thinking, no, I was going to trim, but actually I don't think I'm going to. It's these old book pages aren't very even. Now the next thing is to take these 2 pages and we're going to fold this in approximately there, and this will go on here. I don't think I need to do any inking, and this one I'm folding in half like that, and that will go wrong way round actually. On there. That's not very straight, is it? Is that straight? No, it goes in. I didn't think it was. So that's one, and then I need to do these 2. I now need to glue the pages down. So here I just need to glue this, and again I'm going to use my glue stick to do this. Okay, that's all of them done, and oops, I now need my art glitter glue to attach them to here. So I'm just going to put a thin piece of glue down here. Even though this is attached, I am also going to put a piece down here. And I forgot I need it along the top as well, and the bottom to make the pocket. Otherwise we won't have a pocket. So that's all 3 bases made, and now I'm going to go off and sew around all 3 of them. These are all sewn now, and one of the things, I was a bit crooked there, but it doesn't bother me. I would normally ink, but I'm definitely not going to with the lovely colouring that's around these pages. I'm just going to leave it. Now, the first one, I've got some grass images here, and I'm going to take this long tall one here and just tear around here. Like that. And then I've got some brown paper that I'm going to stick this to on here, and hopefully with my ruler tear around it. Oops, still a bit sticky. Now I'm using Amazon packaging, and one of the things I found with Amazon packaging, it is quite a stiff brown paper. So I think I'm going to put this in the middle there. So I need to just glue this down. Then I'm going to tear oh, I've still got the sticky left on the Amazon packaging. I wondered why I'm sticking. And just tear down here. I'm going to go this way. I think it might be easier. Yeah. There. Oops. I'm going to just tear around here. I think that's better. Yep. And I will just go around the edge here. And then I'm going to glue this down, but I'm leaving my edge so I can turn it up. There we go. And then you can just roll it over. So this one looks like that. I'm not got any ephemera to put in it. I'm just showing the pockets today. Okay, now these two. And for one of these, I'm going to do the bird. And I have lots of these sort of pages as well out of bird books. So I'm just taking this one. Oops. Like that. And just snip them off. And then I've got some of the strips here as normal that I'm thinking I could use under there. So I found these pieces and I think I'm going to put that down there, but I'm going to ink round though and ink round the bird and the music paper, and then maybe, just maybe, a Love Junk Journals label. What do you think? I'm certainly using these up, aren't I? Like that. A red one or a brown one? No, I think I'll go with that red or brown one. Not sure which. Let's stick all these down and then we'll go from there. Now, the red one. Do you know, I'm going to go for the red one, only because I just want a pop of colour. If you're doing neutral, then maybe the brown one. Like that. Okay, so you see how simple they are to decorate. Now, I did make this plain, so I could just attach this to a page with a paper clip, or I could stick it down, make a pocket, etc. And the same with this one, attach it to a page or actually stick it down. Now the next one I want to do is using some more brown paper. Here, actually I could use a piece of this. I'll use a piece of this. And what I've got is some Tim Holtz people. So I want to put him on some brown paper. I think I'll take it off about there. Put him on there. And then I've got a piece of sari silk that I thought could go down there, along with a piece of this. And I'll use my little tool to fray it out a bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my oh dear, glue stick. I'm going to put a line of glue down here. And spread this out onto that line of glue so that I can now keep it down and I can go and sew down there. I'm also going to put some here just to put on the cheesecloth there. And I'm just going to go off and sew that. So this one's sewn, so I'm just going to stick that on there and then put my little man on the top, and I glue the whole thing and I've left my threads as well. And there we go. So these are my three pocket book page pockets, or you could, as I say, a floating pocket if you wanted, if you've got the plain paper on the back. Entirely up to you. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. Something a little different, but quite easy. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.